Good afternoon folks, welcome to Blackpool SEAT. My name's Danny. Here we are at our site on a lovely day, and we're one of 4 sites across the UK, all operating under the banner of the Cox Motor Group. Behind is our showroom, like I say, at Blackpool SEAT, and next door to us is our partners at Blackpool Automart, and next door to them is the Blackpool Superbike Centre, which is the largest in the UK. Across the road we've got our flagship dealership at Honda, and right over in the corner we have our service departments, valet teams, body shop technicians and engineers, all on site in-house. So today we are looking at for you the 2015 SEAT Leon. It's an FR and it's the black technology edition. It's a 1.4 TSI. It's a petrol 6-speed manual, black alloys, black roof, slightly tinted windows at the back. Integrated brake light and the back spoiler. So just a little bit more information for you, just so when you know, when you buy a car from us, you'll have peace of mind knowing that you'll be covered by our benefit scheme, which includes 9 months minimum of MOT and service. Any used car comes with 2 years warranty, 2 years MOT insurance and 2 years AA Gold Standard breakdown cover. And it also comes with a 142 point multi-check. So for example, if any of your tyres are 3mm or under 3mm guide, we'll replace them for you, no problem. So just moving it back around to the back and we'll show you the boot. So as you can see, plenty of space, nice deep boot for you, and the back seats do have a 60/40 split when you lay them down, or you can open them up fully and have the whole back section of the car open to you. On the back seats, plenty of leg room, plenty of space. And the upholstery is black cloth with some grey detailing and red stitching going throughout. And moving along to the front, again the grey pattern cloth with mixed leather and red stitching. And we'll just take a closer look inside. So as you can see, there's your display screen for your center console. Easy to use. So you got your media functions, radio functions, obviously when your phone's connected, voice control,
call name,
sat nav, and traffic information as well. No reports available. Your car settings, and then you're back to home menu screen, and you can use the scroll wheel as well, whichever you decide. You've got your dual climate controls, and you also have a USB port and auxiliary port, your gear lever, 6-speed manual obviously, just switch the ignition on and let you see the dials. So if you look at your left wand, you can see that's your cruise control and your beam settings plus your indicators. On the wheel function, you've got your buttons for your volume and your control for Bluetooth hands-free on your phone. You've got the FR logo in the middle of the wheel. Going over to your right wand, it's your settings for your windscreen wipers and your spray. And on the steering wheel, you've got your functions for your display screen and your in between your dials, so you can flick through whichever options you want using your scroller wheel. And then your actual display, you can switch between what you want displayed. Again, really user friendly, dead easy. And then just down to the right hand side is your headlight switches. And then going over to your door, you've got your window buttons and your wing mirror functions as well. Heated wing mirrors and foldable capability. And the FR door sills. So if there's any questions you'd like to ask us about this particular vehicle, don't hesitate to contact us. You can visit us online, send us an email, give us a call. The number is 01253 600 980. Online is coxmotorgroup.co.uk or coxmotorgroup.com. Better still, why not pop down and see us? Give you the keys, you can take it for a test drive.